Warm greetings from TNV Academy. Today in this session we are going to discuss about service portfolio management. However, before we start, let me tell you about the key takeaways of this session. At the end of this session you will be able to understand what is service portfolio management, goals of service portfolio management, roles and functions in service portfolio management, terms used in service portfolio management, benefits from service portfolio management. So let's start our discussion and talk about what is service portfolio management. Service portfolio management is a single centralized application that aggregates the information portfolio manager and service owner need to design a pipeline of services that meet the greater needs of the organization, prevent unnecessary service duplication and overlap, quickly identify and retire low-value services so resources can be redeveloped. In the IT industry, service portfolio management is the creation, organization and management of portfolio of IT service. For example, communication-related services or an infrastructure-related services. The purpose of implementing service portfolio management is to improve your IT business operation and meet customer demands by optimizing the value of service and reducing their cost. The service portfolio management application help you accomplish these goals. A service portfolio includes information related to the organization of service and data about each service include status as well as related items. The service portfolio typically consists of service in three phases. Service pipeline. Status of service that are not yet operational or available for use. These services are typically proposed or service in review for sustainability. You can leverage the aspect of the portfolio to analyze and manage the future growth and timeline for each services. Service catalog overview of all services that are operational and available for use as well as designed and developed. These services typically have representation in a request catalog. Retired services. Overview of services that can no longer operational or available for use. This overview can include any essential historical information. With service portfolio management can manage the entire portfolio of IT service available to your enterprise. Apply modules and features to justify each service based on business need by ensuring they develop maximize value within managed risk and cost. Let us now discuss the various goals of service portfolio management. The purpose of service portfolio management is to create, manage and improve a service portfolio containing a detailed design package for each IT service. Service portfolio management contributes to an integrated service management approach by achieving the following goals. Every new service runs through a set of standardized activities and procedures to ensure the essential management relevant information for service delivery and support are documented and provided to the relevant management processes. Every service and their design package are reviewed at regular intervals. Every service is reviewed within the Continual Service Improvement Processes. Through the service portfolio and information based for a service catalog is provided. We now move forward and discuss the various roles and functions in service portfolio management. A team of people work together to create, manage and overview the service portfolio. There are strategic rules as well as operational rules among the team members. In most organizations, people may participate in more than one role and often share roles with others. The various roles and functions in service portfolio management are: first, portfolio owner. Strategic role involved in the ownership of a portfolio. This person has overall authority and accountability for an entire IT service portfolio, typically at the CIO level. The portfolio owner's goals is to deliver a portfolio that offers value to the organization. There is only one portfolio owner per portfolio. Second, portfolio manager. Operational rule involved with overall administrative capabilities over a portfolio, create and edit portfolio record of all types. Third, service owner. Strategic role involved in the ownership of services. Typically, this person is at the director level within IT and has end-to-end accountability for a given service and its offering through the full life cycle. This person often owns more than one service and may even own a branch of services. Services owners are not heavily involved in the day-to-day operation of the service. Fourth, service manager. Operational role involved in the management of a service. Typically, this person is at the director level within IT and is responsible for the day-to-day delivery and operation of a service. Occasionally, the service owner and service manager are the same person. Fifth, process owner. Strategic role external to ownership and management of a portfolio or service. This person is responsible for defining and involving these services. Taxonomy, policies, procedures, governance, roles and responsibility over time. The process owner's goals is to progress service portfolio management maturity for the business. 6. Process manager. Operational rule external to the ownership and management of a portfolio or service. This person is responsible for ensuring consistency of the portfolios and services within the portfolios across the IT organization. This person also ensures the policies, procedures and governance are unhelped and determined by the process owner. Occasionally, the process owner and process manager are the same person. Let us now discuss about the various terms used in service portfolio management. The following terms and requirements, information objectives are used in the service portfolio management process to represent process outputs and inputs. First, change proportional. A change proportional describes a proposed major change like the introducing of a new service or a substantial change to an existing service. The purpose of change proportional is to communicate a proposed major change and assess its risk, impact and feasibility before design activities begin. Change proportional are typically created in service portfolio management. Second, service charter. The service charter is a high-level description of a new or sustainably changed service and to approach to build that service. In particular, the service charter outlines the deliverables to be created during the service implementation project, the required risk and an initial project schedule. Service charter are passed to service design to initiate the detailed design of the new or changed service. Third, service model. A service model is a high-level description of a service and the compounds required to deliver that service. The main purpose of service models is to facilitate an understanding of what service, compound, assist and other resources are necessary to create the service, including their interaction. Service models are a valuable tool for understanding the impact of proposed new or changed services on other services at an earlier stage. Fourth, service portfolio. The service portfolio represents a complete list of the service managed by a service provider. Some of these services are visible to the customer while others are not. It represent contractual commitments, new service development and ongoing service improvement plan initiated by Continual Service Improvement. It also includes third-party services which are an integral part of service offering to customers. The service portfolio is divided into three phases: service pipelines, service catalogs and retired services. Fifth, service portfolio review report. A document containing the results and findings from a service portfolio review. This report is an important input to the strategic service assessment. Finally, let us now discuss the few benefits of service portfolio management. The various benefits of service portfolio management are: transform your focus from IT assist and associated cost into service that you can price and link to business value. Your IT organization can go from a business cost center to a value-added service provider offering transparency into operation and spending. Align your IT services to strategic business goals. Meet the service demands of your customer and end user. Make better decisions regarding new service creation, improving delivery and retirement. Improve productivity of IT support staff by better identifying and increasing focus on the service that offer the most business value. Increase cost efficiency by consolidating duplicate service, enhancing underperforming service, and retiring low value, unnecessary and unused services. Document the various service offer use a standardized structured format. Link offering to items in a consumer friendly service catalog. Define service offering and the system automatically begin to track perform against defined metric for operational service offering. If outage occur, the platform handles availability tracks. We have now come to the conclusion of this session. If you have questions regarding today's topic of discussion, then please put them forward in the comment section of the video and we will be really happy answering them. See you soon. Till then, best wishes from TNV Academy.